Johnny M in the mix.
Dreams.
This lonely world we live in, past lives from distant time, the stars in heaven fall into a hole in time. This twisted faith and fake reality weaves the web where dreams entwine, but you and me remain, your heart bound by mine.
Hi there. I don't know how much you can hear me, but it seems to be alright. Hello everyone. Hi. Everything seems to be functioning correctly. Hello, hello. Yeah. I don't know how the volume is right now. It should be alright. It should be alright. Okay. We have a lot of work to do today. We do. We really do. Just turn that down a little bit. Yeah, let me just start recording right now. Boom. Okay. First things first. We do have some unboxing to do. Order a few things for my 3D printer. And just like have a better setup in general. Yeah. So today what do we have to do? I would like to unbox a few things, then we'll do some rendering and coding with Blender. We have to work on an image sequencer in JS. And also I would like to get going on a custom follow alert. Yes, volume is perfect. Thank you. So yeah, we do have a few things. I would like to have also, like, if we could work on a to-do list, like to have, displayed on the stream, that would be nice too. So yeah, to be what we need to do, unboxing, image sequencer in JS, we have to do a few things on that. I will show you the entire project, some Blender project to do, and I would like to talk about and make a few research for a custom following alert on YouTube as well, that we're going to connect then to OBS and a bunch of amazing things like that. So, first of all, get going with some unboxing. I hope everyone is okay and that you guys are having a wonderful Tuesday. Also, news for you. New video coming at the soonest today or tomorrow. Part 3 of the highlights of the building of the 3D printer. Little information for you. A cutting mat right there. Oh, there you go. Looked blue to me on Amazon, but alright. This is to go next to my 3D printer because with this I bought, drum roll please. Is it going to be that? No, I think that's the cable. Because for the 3D printer, I also bought an X-Acto knife. Finally. Wanted that for a long time. Now we have it. Will be to clean the 3D printed parts. And because also I think tomorrow we are going to do a little what is that called again? SolidWorks stream, because we have our first mission as an engineer to create something with the 3D printer for the company I work at right now. We'll also, fun fact, are going to be soon sponsors of the stream. It's nice. So yeah, there you go. Little X-Acto knife. Show you. Boom. So yeah, nothing more simple than that. Go very, very sharp. So yeah, I have that. Really happy about it. And boom, this is going to live like that, right next to the printer, right there. So yeah, that's that. Boom. And we have also those things. I need to work on a way to organize my workshop a little bit more than that. But yeah, we have those things now. boom, and boom. There we go. So that's 2 packages, and then finally, one last package. Yes, both are here. That's nice. And those are just, yeah, the notes. Amazing. I did have, at some point, at a few moments during streams, issues with my XLR cable right there. So I bought a new one. That is also going to allow me to reposition my microphone, because at the moment it is like down there, clipped on my desk, and like it's bothering me when I'm working. It's doesn't allow me to have my full ranges of motion. So yeah. And also, little USB key to be able to plug my printer's micro SD card in the computer. But yeah. And boom, goes to the garbage. I guess we can reposition the mic right now, eh? In the meantime, for the viewers who are here, how are you doing? How is your Tuesday going? Really happy about the rhythm that we have right now on YouTube. We'll try to get it going. I would like that, like at least 3 streams per week and like 1 to 2 videos per week. That would be nice. That would be great. Boom. Booming, boom. And there we go. So this cable is 6 meters. I am going to be silenced for a few seconds. Okay, can you hear me now? You should hear me now. All right. It's a good day, been busy. Well, being busy, to me, is the beginning of being healthy, in my opinion. All right. It should be all good. New course soon. Good question. No. Well, actually, so I thought about it, right? Okay, just put that here. Okay, and boom. Oh, this is way better. This is way better. Can I even do something like that? That'd be okay. That'd be actually perfect. Okay, stop moving. Boom, here. That too. I need to do a little bit of cable management, but that's all right. So that was the old cable that was causing all of those issues. New course soon? I don't think so. Not anytime soon, I'm speaking. I have received amazing reviews from the current course. For the viewers who don't know about that, I have a course on Awards Academy. Yeah, for the moment, I've been having the chance to have amazing support on that. Let me put you the link somewhere. Yeah, I've been really lucky to have amazing reviews on that course. Boom. And yeah, like it's still up to date. And if people have issues, they do contact me. And for the moment, yeah, it's been great. It's been actually great. So no, not changing that soon, because also like it's been a lot of work. I have worked on that one for like 6 months, something like that. Like from beginning of writing it to actually recording and editing, like it took me around 6 months. And that right now with freelance, my last year of engineering school and stuff like that, like it doesn't seem doable. But the adventure was amazing. Have to say that. Okay. So that's that. I will need you to do a little bit of cable management. Let me just unplug. There we go. Then I didn't know it took that long. That makes me appreciate it more. It was a really good course. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That means a lot. Yeah, it took a long time because also like I had to juggle between that freelance life and also my engineering year, which was really tough as well. But yeah, it was an amazing experience though, like amazing one. It was a lot of work. Yeah, a lot of work. Okay. And we need to keep that near me because I can use that at some point. All right. And this also. Yes, that would be for the 3D printing SD card. That's nice. You know what? I will already, well, no, I will clean my desk a little bit while that is going. But yeah, thank you so much. Andy, I guess. Thank you so much. Yeah, it did take me a long time because also like it was a big bet on that course too. Like at first, like fun fact, so Allwoods contacted me in February. The course was out early September. I refused to do it at first. Because like I didn't feel legit at all to give my opinion on this platform, and also like I was the youngest on this platform at the time. I don't know if it still is the case, but yeah, that was tough to like accept that, like a 20 years old like giving advice to people older than me and whatnot, and it didn't feel all right to me somehow. But yeah, did it. Was very, I guess, very lucky to have like such amazing reviews on it, amazing support as well. But yeah. To answer your first question, new course soon, not anytime soon. Maybe at some point, but not anytime soon. I would love to do something like PCB and web dev related. That would be nice and also like pretty novel somehow for the platform. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. But for the moment, engineering school, freelance, and YouTube. And YouTube has been gaining some speed lately. Previous stream on my portfolio did some nice scores. Really nice scores. Let me clean a little bit. Boom. We need to clean that. Sounds good. All right. Cables in here. Boom. That can go there. Pit Vipers. Maybe I can code with those. Yeah. I do see like the yeah, I have the alerts on my phone, like when someone new like follows the YouTube channel. But I would like to have like an actual like alert on OBS. We will create one together on stream at some point, because this uses actually, you can use JavaScript to do that. I know that's the case on for Twitch using a particular library that I forgot about. But we could do that on YouTube as well. I would like to tackle that today. But yeah, for example, Karim, I guess, thank you for following the channel. And this can go away too. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Notepad can stay here. Microcontrollers. Those puppies right there. Oof, you know, wonderful ESP32 right there. We're going to use that one a lot as well. On this channel, I mean. Is the sound better? Yeah, that new cable was a really nice, really nice investment. There you go. Already losing my words. This is not a good sign. Electronics. Boom. Boom, boom. And we don't need those anymore. That's done. That's done. And this is good news. This is great news. Thank you for also, like, if anyone right now watching was here while I was building the 3D printer, thank you for the emotional support. I needed it. There you go. All right. I guess we can get started with what's on the menu today. I see that I have a new viewers right now. Creative developer needs to be... That's a great question. Creative developer needs to be very good at CSS. This is the thing about CSS. Like, CSS is the pure definition of knowing how to do a good Google research, in my opinion. Like, as long as you know your basics. For me, like, creative developer is really more related to, like, on the web, I mean, is more related to JS than CSS. I don't really know. Like, you have to be decent at it. It's not something that I think about right away. When I think about something that you need to be good at when you're a creative developer, are good Google researches, good algorithms, and how to decompose a problem in digestible chunks. This is what I mean. Do you know when the summer sales on awards is going? Spoiler alerts, awards has a lot of sales. I shouldn't be doing this right now because it wouldn't be a good idea for sales, but if you want to wait, you can wait. That's all right. But they're going to go under site renovations real soon, meaning that if you would like to get going, let's say like before the big back to school time, I would suggest you to get it now, whatever course you want to buy. But yeah, other than that, like, they do have sales like a lot of the time. I guess right now, like, they have summer sales, I guess. Yeah, like 75% off or something. But yeah, they do have sales like often. Trust me on that. All right. Let me just check my phone real quick that I'm not missing anything. Okay. Sorry, freelance message. Boom. How is the music level, by the way? Is that okay to you guys? Looks alright to me when I look at my levels right there. Looks to be alright. We have nice consistent viewership as well. Like, this has been the case for the past couple of streams, and thank you for that. Also, like, for the people who are interacting in chat, where are you coming from? YouTube itself, LinkedIn, Instagram. Where are you coming from, guys? Suggestions, maybe? Maybe. Would be weird for a YouTube live, but I don't know. Where are you guys coming from? Okay. Okay. So, I guess we can get started. Coding scene. There we are. I need to... Do I need to, sit a little bit more correctly? YouTube, nice. Nice. Okay. Notifications, amazing. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for next streams. This is a sentence that I always wanted to say unironically. Now I can, so that's amazing. So, on today's menu, we do have a few things that we need to do. So let me just walk you through what is going on right now. I have this project that I would like to work on. It's a PNG exporter in Blender that exports like PNG sequences, and I have a running web page. Let me just get that going. There we go. That goes here. Boom. Let me start the server. It's already going. That's perfect. Boom. And we are on localhost 5500. Okay. And I would like to have those PNG sequences to be animated on the browser at 60 FPS. And we do need to do a few things. First of all, the animations you see now are just basic, very basic animations that I've done in Blender. For example, like this is the cube one that you saw earlier. By the way, keyframes and graphs on that project is tough. Let me show you. Look at that. Would you look at that? Frame all. That's a lot of keyframes. A lot of keyframes. So yeah, I export that in PNG and I play them through a homemade sequencer that I've did in JavaScript. Image sequencer. Let me close that. Boom. So yeah, which is a class. It's a constructor in which you pass the container, like the CSS container of the actual images that you want to pass, the path of where the images are. For example, like for the cubic one, it's related to this thing right there. This folder right there, teamwork. And in there, you do have like a bunch of images. And I just go through them in this render function that works in a request animation frame, meaning that this runs every frame on the website. And yeah, it just goes through, like you have an image incrementation and it changes the visibility of it in the thing, this and that and whatever. And we have a bunch of things that we need to do with that. First things first, this one, can I zoom in, please? Also, how is the visibility for you guys on the code? Like, is this enough or would you like bigger? How many years you've been programming? My first line of code, I think, was when I was 15 years old, something like that. Using the program processing that I'm sure you know about. Yeah. So I guess since I am 15, I am 22 now. 7 years? 7 years? 7 years? Damn. Okay, well. Been coding for 7 years. Web-related stuff, though. So that was my first year after high school. That was my very first lines of both HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So that was in 2017. So yeah, 5 years ago. Jesus Christ. So yeah, quite a few lines, quite a few repos. Yeah. That I need to... It would be better if I put my overlay on that, eh? Coding scene, boom. Boom. That works. All right. But yeah, 7 years. 7 beautiful years of programming. Where was I? Yeah. First things first. I exported some new sequences this morning. Let me show you. So where is that? Boom. That folder in here. Growth. Yeah. Those ones. We're exporting that this morning. Let me show you the Blender project itself. It's a big one. Flower Research, I think. Yeah. This is all done using geometry nodes. And this is the animation. That was a headache. Look at all those math nodes. Jesus Christ. Yeah, that was something. Also, during this project, I discovered that you could use implemented variables in Blender. For example, pi, the frame you are at, and stuff like that. Like really, really useful. But yeah, that took some time. So I exported that in PNG sequences, and these are the exported images. So they are obviously really small because, like, on the website itself, like they are not that big. They are, I think, like 300 pixels wide in spec. Please? Okay, yeah, there we go. 300 pixels. So yeah, that's why they are all so small. So I need to import that. I'm going to replace that one, by the way, with those. I wanted something a bit more organic. Obviously, like those are really geometric and simple animations. But yeah, so let's do that first. So to do that, I need to take all of that, Command C, image sequencer, and I need to go into here, growth sequence, to reveal you in the file explorer. Boom. Take all of that, delete it. Thank you. And boom. Nice. I first need to rename those for me to be able to access them with the path, with the correct path. So to do that, I created a little Node.js script. There you go. Image renamer. So this goes into the growth sequence. That's all right. It goes here and it renames it like this. Amazing. So I need to do node, and I go into, yeah, scripts. And in there, yeah, image renamer.js. Should be all right. Nice. And now everything has been renamed properly. Great. And if I go back to the website, so it does work, but it seems that I forgot to export that without the background. Oh. I used Blender's compositor to be able to add glare to the image. For example, let me export one image to show you guys. And then it adds this glare thingy on top of it. But I guess when you export that, even in PNG, it exports it to you with a background. But I can still see the transparency. Let's try. Like export that wherever. Text export. Also, Adrien, hi. Hope you are doing good, my guy. Boom, boom, boom. Text export. So yeah, even though that shows transparency, I don't have it in the final image. I think this is because of the compositor. Because let's say I do that, like I delete you and I directly go here and now export it. Boom. And now I save it. I go back here, text export. Oh. Still have this black background. Weird. If I just simply don't use the nodes. Like delete everything in here. We export it. Boom. Save that in here. And now, if I do this, okay. Not happy about that, not gonna lie. Why is that? PNG. Yeah. RGBA. How are you doing, big boy? I'm alright. I'm alright, my guy. Been busy, obviously, so let's try that. Export, final export. Yes, finally. And now we do have no background. So that's great. Let's reuse the nodes. Can I do Command Z's in there? One more, please. Boom. Okay. 12. Waiting for the compositor. There you go. You see this little glare right there. Export, text export. And now. Huh. RGBA. Perfect. Is there a glare though? Not that much. But yeah, this is what we've been missing. So let's re-export that. And while that is going, we are going to go onto the JS and work on the image sequencer, because we need to do some optimization to do that. So this is the export region. Yeah, RGBA. This is what I've been wanting to do. So we need to create a new file. Let me just take you. Boom. Here, F3. Nope. F2. Here. This is the O3. Accept. Nice. And then Control F12. And this is going now. Let's wait for 2 frames just to see if everything is working properly. And this should populate this thing right there. And like we can see that it works. Let's wait for a little bit more. What's up, boss? I'm alright. I'm alright, Victor. How are you? How are you doing? How is that working? Nice. So yeah, we do have no background, which is great. Great. Okay, so we'll wait for that to happen. While that is going, we are going to go into the JS and work on some optimizations. Oh no, that's the portfolio repo. That's not what we want. I closed it. Wonderful. There you go. Okay. So we need to do a few things, right? Are you guys having a good stream experience right now? Like I see warnings. How is the bitrate and stuff like that? Let me just check on YouTube. Is it laggy? Oh, Jesus. Okay. Let's forget about that. Okay, let's just wait. Stream should be alright in a sec. Yeah, I guess because Blender is taking a lot of resources. We'll wait just a sec. Almost there. Okay, we should be back soon. Are we back to something smoother? I hope so. Yeah, looks like it. All right, we're back, right? Can you guys hear me properly, see me properly? We should be all right. Yeah, I think we're back. I think we're back. Huh, so yeah, fun fact, I cannot both render and stream at the same time. Can anyone confirm? Yep, there you go. Perfect. Thank you, Adrian. Victor, to answer your question, what am I trying to do? I am working on an image sequencer with PNG exports from Blender directly. So these are examples on a web page, and yeah, this is what we are trying to do right now. And I just wanted to try to do exports in Blender while streaming. Unfortunately, we'll not be able to do that because OBS is asking for a lot of resources, so does Blender. So unfortunately, we cannot do that at the same time. But right now, we need to do some optimization in JS for the image sequencer. Because what's the problem right now? So this is my class for the image sequencer, which takes the container, the path of the images, and the length, like the number of images it takes to do the whole animation. And in the render loop, this is where I change the different images by displaying everything none and then block to actually display the actual image. Because, for example, like if I inspect that, you can see that it's just like a bunch of images displayed none except for one, the first one. And if I go on there, boom, you can see that everything updates until it goes back to the first one. The thing is though, the big problem with that is that I just do that for every single frame. I just change like at every frame in the actual window itself. The thing is that right now it works 60 FPS because I have a 60 Hertz monitor, meaning that at 140 Hertz displays, for example, the animation is going to be way quicker, which we do not want. So we need to work on a way to track the time between frames and make the change according to that. So to do this, we need to do a little trick, good old trick that is done also in Unity. Okay. This is my raf.js. This is a singleton class that takes care of rendering every single function that requires a request animation frame. That allows me to have only one single request animation frame in my entire web application, while still being able to play with this or that function. So this is really optimized. And in there, I would like to have a variable that tells me how much time was passed since the last frame. So to do this, we'll call that one, like in Unity, dt equal to 0 at the moment. And we would like a few things. We would like pass time, I think. Yeah, pt, and this is date.now. Yeah. And dt is equal to date.now minus pt. Yeah, and we take exactly this and do that in the rendering function. Let's do that first here. dt is equal to this, and pt is the last time, or past time, is equal to date.now. Whoops, not at all. Date.now. Boom. And now we should see a little something like this. This.dt. dt is for delta time. Is the stream still choppy? I still have this awful error in YouTube, and I do not like it. I think it should be alright, right? Should be. Also, guys, news. New record on this channel. We did have a peak audience of 12 people. That's 2 more than the actual record. GG's, everyone. Okay, so if we go into the console, there we go. So those numbers represent the elapsed time since the last frame. But I think this is not milliseconds, this is more than that. I can't remember. Why don't you use React 3 Fiber, considering that you are using React in the first place? This is not my portfolio. This is another project, and this is not real-time 3D. These are exported images. That's a good question, though. Why did we do that and not something else? That's because we wanted to have more freedom according to what we would like to display. Because like the render that I have right there with this image, with those amazing reflections and post-processing stuff like that, I wouldn't be able to do that in real time. That would ask way too much resources, and these are really small images. So yeah, this is not real-time 3D. And I am also in a really simple web app, only running CSS, JavaScript, and HTML, and that's it. No frameworks, no nothing. It's just pure vanilla. So this is why we're not using any 3-fiber thingies at the moment. Okay. Yeah, that's it. But I would like to transform that into actually something that is usable, like in a unit of time. Because I think that day.now returns something that is like in something less than a millisecond. Let me check. Date now in JS. Returns him. Oh, so these are milliseconds. Wonderful. Okay. So I thought that was your portfolio. No worries, man. Yep, this is not my portfolio at the moment. This is in another project. Let's stay hydrated. Jesus. Just tuned in. That's all right, man. Welcome to the show. Make yourself comfortable. Grab your wonderful coffee. And let's code together in this beautiful afternoon. Well, beautiful. It looks like it's about to rain in my French countryside region. But yeah. So yeah, now we should have access to the DT of my RAF right in there. Is that the case? If I go into the image sequencer, I should have access to it here. All right. So let's think. What do I need to do exactly? Yeah, I need to change that according to the elapsed time. Yeah, first of all, I need to see something. So I would like this to run at 60 FPS. So 60 FPS, it's 60 images per second. So 1 divided by 60. Okay, so that's that, but that's in seconds, right? So the actual math that I need to do is 1000 divided by 60. And that gives me something in milliseconds. Perfect. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So I need to cap that at 60. How are we going to do that? Let's think. I think I need, first of all, like I will need, for sure, like a variable, right, that I will need to use. I guess I will call that the frame counter. Elapsed frames. It's equal to 0. Yes. Yeah, I think so. And what happens is if the elapsed frames are bigger or equal to 1 second, aka 1000 milliseconds, divided by 60 for 60 FPS, I can increment the frame count. Yeah, and to verify if that is true, I need right there Now I need to do that above, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Let's do that above. The elapsed frames gets the DT of the RAV. Oh, but I don't have access to that. I guess I can do it here. Like I can pass the render in there. How do I do that? Where is the render thingy? Image sequencer. Where is that from? Index.js. Oh, I subscribe it here. Huh. Jesus, how do I do that? Oh, I guess I can just import the RAV class. Yeah, it's a singleton. Should be able to do that. Import the RAV from yeah, the RAV.js. Okay. And then I can take that and actually do this, right? So this RAV, and we go to the DT of that. Yes. And if the elapsed frame do that, then we put that back to 0. That should work. And that should cap the amount of FPSs we have for this thing. Okay, yes but no. Now it runs at 30 FPS, and why is that? Huh. Yeah, because it's waiting for the next frame to be able to do that. Yeah, now I'm in a pickle. I need to have a better way to do this. I guess I can do this minus a threshold. Is this the good idea? So that minus like 5 milliseconds. I don't know. I don't know for sure. But that seems to be working. I would like to have like a better frame rate monitor to see if that works. Oh no, no, this is not what I want to do. No, this is not what I want to do. I think it's in there, directly on that variable that I would like to do my math properly. But I would like a round number as well. This is complicated. Let me go back here. I would like the trick in Unity to do that. Frame 1, frame 2, yeah. It's time DT, right? Yeah, it's times. Oh yeah. Yeah, because like the problem with this right now is that it will run slower on 30 FPS monitors, and this is not the thing that you need to do. I need to have a better solution to do this. Okay, let's just do that. I think I have a better idea. I still need the ref for the DT, that's for sure, but I don't think I need that. That I don't need to. Yeah, I need to do that. Okay, so one is the thing that we want when we are running at 60 FPS, right? Times this .dt, but this will be way too quick. When that is closer to 60 FPS, we keep one. Okay, I think I understand the situation. So we take 1000 milliseconds divided by 60, and that on this. So when this is true, I think this is what we want. I think that's what we would like this to run at 60 FPS, whatever the cost is. So let's say we have a higher refresh rate monitor. So this is going to be no, because then like it will only be 0. Damn it. Okay. I feel that I am like so close to that, because like I really do not want to use like a really simple solution would have been to just use a set interval to do that, because like I can actually play around with actual oh yeah, but no, this is exactly what I did. Jesus, I don't know how to do that properly. I think I am holding something here, but if this is a higher refresh rate, because like we are also going to flow all of that to have something that is an actual index, something like this. Hello Marius, hello there. How are you doing? Yeah, let's say we have a higher refresh rate. So that is going to be smaller, meaning that this is going to be a bigger number. So yeah, also, so I need to do that the other way around. Something like this, and like that. Yeah, so this is this high refresh rate. Yeah, but this will return 0, but this will return 0 every single time, which is not what we want. This is tough. I guess we want a round too. Huh. Very interesting. This is an amazing math problems. Also, I'm stressed by the stream, so I guess we'll need to do that later. All right, we'll come back on that. Let me just keep this as a comment because I think we are onto something good here. This is the way we need to do it. I wish I had the actual solution to this. I think it's really simple and I'm close to it. But yeah, we'll see in due times. So let's go back to something like this for now. Let's check if that still works. It should. Boom. It does. Perfect. Boom, 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 and boom, boom, boom. Nice. Okay. Well, that is going though for the project. Actually, this will be on a darker background, so let's just change that right away in CSS. In here, boom. We'll take the body directly. Plain CSS. Kind of seem to give support, even though I don't understand a lot, lol. Well, thank you for the support though. And we can still have a bunch of fun. At the moment though, we'll need a break. And I think we'll do some meme reviews together. Boom. Yeah, for the body, we'll need a background. There'll be a gradient. A radial gradient from black all the way to something a little bit less black. Yeah. Nice. And also the color of everything needs to be white now, because otherwise we'll not see anything. Okay. Yeah, better. Way better. Alright. Let's take away that poor box shadow though. I would like a border that is white. Oh yeah. Come on, Marius. Okay. Yeah, this is what I want. Nice. Yeah. Okay. I just need to export that in a better manner, though. And I really worked on it, so that's nice. Yeah. I do have a problem, it seems, with the sequence. Doesn't seem to be the right length. If I did my math properly, this is in the growth sequence. Yeah, growth sequence right there. 150 frames, is that the case? Growth sequence 0, 160. That's why. 10 frames were missing. This is why it's still a little bit choppy. Yeah, there you go. Very nice. Something that we can look at though, I would like to work out a PNG, not compressor, but optimizer. That would be the thing that I would like to do next. So that is in my image sequencer, no, in the image renamer. Yeah, this is the Node.js script that I need to work on. In there, I would like to implement two. Yeah, I would like in there a PNG optimizer. Is that a thing? PNG optimizer, npm. PNG compression. 6 months ago, 4 years ago. Popularity. Okay. Let's see. 4K downloads a week. Nice. Minimize your image compression extension for JPEG, SVG, PNG. SVGs? Oh, you optimize on SVG. And you can use all of those. Okay. Combine compression. All right. Interesting. I'd like a better example though. My fun. Compress image. Okay, this is how you acquire the package. This is what you pass it through. Oh, and this is a promise. No, it's not a promise, it's just how you do it. Okay, I guess you can just like run a few of those in parallel. Interesting. Interesting. And in this example, they do it the same way. Okay. But for that, I will need first to actually create a node application. So to do that, we need to go into scripts. There you go, and there, and PM init. I don't care, I don't care. Nice, and in there, npm install, what's the name of the package again? Compress image. All right. Image renamer, that's all right. And in there, let's create image compressor. .js. Const image compress. Example, please. Underscore. Okay. And in there, we'll need to give it a folder and the images themselves. Well, I guess I could also just do a simple like for loop with the name of it. And let's do it properly, all right? Let's do it properly. We take the image renamer, we go in here. So we go to the path, we pass the path. If an error, you do this, okay? And for each files, yeah, there you go. This is where I use the compress image. Example, please. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh, you can just do that? I guess like this is a way to... Oh, this is regex. Okay. We'll take this example, please and thank you. There we go. How does that work? I would like more information on what I'm passing through, please. Homepage. Can use different, okay, but I would like to know what are the parameters. Note, you should have your path slash, and slash may be replaced by regex, okay? Other useful plugins, I don't need that. Read the manual. Nope. It's okay. Input path, output path. And then you pass the different okay. So the input path is the file. So this is all that. Yeah. And the output path, I guess we'll do the same, but text compression. And we would just like the PNG because those are all PNGs, right? Completed true. I'd like to console.log the file itself. And if error, I would like to display the error, please. Okay. So let's see. We take this, we go into there. We read the file on there. That there is an error, you do this, okay, and then you compress the image. This is the input image, this is the output. This is the compressor. Then you do this with all the things. Alright. So node. Image compressor.js. Let's see, let's pray. Obviously. Because. Yeah, I think that's why. Yeah, because we are here, we need to do... What? Oh, cannot find the module compress image. Really? Really? Why is that? Oh, because this... Yeah, this is not the root folder, I guess. This is the issue. Huh. Can I just... Can find the module CO. Internal module loader. Yeah, I guess I cannot do that. Wonderful. That's great. That's great. I would just like to see if the stream is still going. Yeah, you guys are still here. Nice. Okay. That's not working. That's alright. Have issues with my npm init profiles. I will need to fix that. Okay, I need a break though. I do need a break. Oh, Jesus. Whew. Are you guys holding up? I don't know if I am, to be honest. Oh, okay. I would like to work on something 3D related. 3D printing related. Yeah, because I would like to test a few things. On my desk is missing a few tool arrangements. Like a few spaces to put all my crap in. And there was this thing from Voidstar Lab that was like a great way to arrange things on your desk, and I think we're going to look at that. Okay. Let's take a look at this as a little break for our eyes. Coding scene, boom. Yeah. Printables.com. Okay, thanks. We would like a way to... Oh, sealable boxes. That's interesting. Wow. Gridfinity. This is what I've been... this is what I was looking for. Gridfinity. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. Gridfinity is a project done by a wonderful, wonderful guy. Voidstar Lab. If you don't know him, please go give him a follow. There you go. This is the thing.
So now that April Fool's Day is rolled around again, I flipped the script and invented the first genuinely useful project in the entire channel. Behold the Gridfinity, your ultimate modular storage system for your workshop.
This is crazy.
And spare parts designed not to help you store more stuff, but to finish more projects. It's free, it's open source, it's almost 100% 3D printed, and because I am sick of this April Fool's crap, this video has absolutely no fake-outs. They're definitely think this video has fake-outs now. Ladies, gentlemen, indies, furries, scalies, AIs, gelatinous, hexahedra, reincarnated whole project instead of getting sidetracked cleaning up your workshop again. The Abyss has a point.
Yeah, this is so good. There was this example that I exactly want, like something like this. Where is it? Like the side holder for the 3D printer that uses like the extruded aluminum.
And cyborgs. This was not supposed to be a project episode. iStream project build parts designed.
Boom. That. This is what I want.
Not to help.
This is exactly what I want. How can I find that though? Oh, I guess I didn't hear everything at all. Ah. Whoops. Gridfinity. There you go. Mounted best plate. Yes! This is exactly what I want. Yes. And I guess you can put that on the side. Where is that though? Oh no, because like, okay, but this is another printer. Okay, but yeah, this is exactly what I'm looking for. Something like that. Box. I can design it myself, but I don't have enough knowledge to do it onto Marius. Please think. Onto SolidWorks yet. I need to learn my classics again. Okay, that, but I also needed a few iPhone holders. But I would like something that both can plug in and work with a case. I think that works. Yeah. A distance with cable recess will hold your iPhone, different size and mobile, with or without a case. Nice. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. 4 hours and 51 minutes. Nozzle diameter, this is mine as well. Perfect. PLA, 15 grams. Amazing. And 4 different process. Amazing. Oh, I need a... Okay, let's sign up then. Oh no, I guess I can log in directly with my... yeah, this is a Prusa account. I can do that. Let me do that here. Boom. Nice. Yeah, I want to log in, please. Hello? Interesting. Okay, should be all good now. Okay. I don't care. Please take me to what I've been wanting to see. Printables. And dude, I am logged in. Come on. What is wrong with you? Yes. 3D models. There you go. iPhone holder. There you go. Oh, no, okay, this is for the... All right. Let me take it. This is directly the G code. Nice. Okay. And then Cruiser Slicer. Let's be next time, please. I'd like to import. Can I directly import a G code to see what it will look like? Import config. No, this is not what I want. Let's see. Downloads. Can I do that? Oh, this is another. Huh. Okay, and now. Okay, there you go. Yeah. So this is the project. There's a lot of support material though, which I don't really like. But these, I guess. Okay, these are for the holes. Makes sense. Okay, this is what we're going to print. Show stealth mode. Perimeter 47 millimeters. External perimeter. Solid infill. 34%. Okay. I mean, I trust these parameters. And what is that? Oh. Oh, okay. Okay, this is the actual, like how it's going to print, I guess. Very interesting. First layer, 5mm. Yeah, makes sense to me. Nice. Okay. I guess I can already implement that into my SD card. Let's try that. Let me just leave that one on screen. Boom. So that you guys have something to watch. Okay. Yeah. Let me take that. Let me take you. And I need the USB portion of you. And boom. I don't want an iPhone 6 though. I didn't even look that up. iPhone stand. I would like something that you can both have a case on and also that you can charge. That looks bad. That looks alright. Now, you know what? Let's just print that one. We'll see. We'll just see. We'll just see. I believe in it. Yeah, what could go wrong? Well, a lot of things, I guess. Yeah, let's see another one. Thingiverse, I guess, is a good one. iPhone stand. Whoa, those are some hefty stands. Okay. Yeah, and this is the one that we saw, yes. Yeah, iPhone 6, yeah. Ooh. Yeah, but this is going to require a lot of support material. Yeah, let's stay on that one. You know what? It would be all right. I guess it would be all right. Yeah, it will be all right. It will be all right. I just want to print something too. Boom, boom, boom. This is my SD card. Let's take you. iPhone 6, perfect. Let's eject you. Not collapse, come on. Yeah. Eject device, perfect. Okay. Let's go back here. I'm going to take you. Turn on the printer. And let's see. I would like the iPhone, please. I'm going to do it in black. Yeah. I know it's heating. Okay. Let's wait for that to happen. Why does the heat bed, though, indicate 0 degrees? I don't like that. We'll be alright. We will be alright. Okay. We've been streaming for what? An hour and 36 minutes. That's nice. That's nice. Oh, I guess the heat rate is at 0 degrees because in the G code it requires you not to have a heated heat bed, I guess. I don't know if that's support material or no, it is support material. Okay. Yeah. It is supposed to do that, and then yeah. Okay, it is going. Are you mostly self-taught? I am mostly self-taught. That's a good question. Am I self-taught? So, my studies after high school were computer related. The first 2 years after high school, I was in a school mostly focused on communication, design, and development, a little bit of development. This is when I started by myself, after school hours, discovering the world of 3D programming and all of those stuff. And I learned by myself way much more than what was taught in that school. The thing is, though, that school taught me how to communicate better, have a team and stuff like that. So I would say yes on the technical aspects, but school teaches you to work with people in that industry and just like being in this creative path most of the time. But I would consider myself self-taught. I would say that, I think. Yeah. For example, like I haven't learned in school like how to build my 3D printer. I haven't school didn't teach me to do Three.js and modeling, stuff like that, video editing, and all those kind of things. So I would consider myself 65-70% self-taught. Yeah. That's the first layer. Second layer. I was just about. This is the first imported model that I do on the printer. It should be all right, but I'm stressing a little bit about it. Is the heat bed supposed to be 0 degrees? Printer 47mm. Where can I see the actual temperature and stuff like that he put himself on the thing? Settings. All right. Okay. Yeah, I hope this answers the question. And that's on the second layer. All right. This was a really short stream, but I think I will end it now. We've been live for almost 2 hours. And that's all right. This was a first time for me, like streaming not personal projects. I like do different things all at once. Yeah. Yeah. I would like to have a better momentum than that, but I guess the thing that I need to do first is to myself like build a better community and audience with videos, and then like bringing back here. But we do gain some speed as time passes. Like actually today like was a new PR in terms of people connecting on stream, and we do have like bigger audience the more and more we stream, so we will continue to do so, and better interaction as well in chat, and I feel comfortable on camera and stuff like that. Like it's coming along, and yeah, more and more questions coming in too, so that's nice. But yeah. Thank you everyone for tuning in today. I hope you will all have a wonderful Tuesday afternoon. Other than that, I guess that's it for me. And I will talk to you guys very soon, live again on YouTube. Thank you everyone, and bye-bye.
To where my thoughts and inhibitions run wild.